Hello everyone. Today, we are going to introduce a video about Korean families. First, let's take a look at useful verb conjugations in Korean. The first case is when the verb stem of the base form does not have a final consonant. In this case, the verb stem is combined with the ending sida by adding the consonant b before the ending. Let's take a look at the example sentence below.
하다,
To do.
합시다.
Let's do it. When the verb stem has a final consonant, you add up by attaching instead of be up. Let's take a look at the example sentence below.
먹다,
To eat.
먹읍시다.
Let's do eat. When you add the consonant
리을,
and the ending
게요.
to the verb stem, it becomes equivalent to the future tense marker will in English. Let's take a look at the example sentence below.
소개하다,
To introduce.
소개할게요. 소개할게요. 공부하다,
To study.
공부할게요. 공부할게요.
Let's have a cup of coffee.
커피 한잔 합시다. 커피 한잔 합시다. 하다,
To do.
합시다.
Let's do it. Yes, that sounds good.
예, 좋아요. 예, 좋아요.
When the final consonant
히읗,
meets the initial consonant,
이응,
the final consonant is omitted. Where are you from?
어디에서 왔어요? 어디에서 왔어요? 에서,
Means from. I'm from the USA.
미국에서 왔어요. 미국에서 왔어요.
Let me introduce you to my family.
제 가족을 소개할게요. 제 가족을 소개할게요. 소개하다,
To introduce.
소개할게요.
I will introduce. This is my husband.
여기는 제 남편이에요. 여기는 제 남편이에요.
My. Formal speech.
제,
Informal speech.
네,
The e in the be verb form is not a particle, it simply helps with pronunciation by being placed after words that end in a consonant. I've named this the pronunciation helper, which is not an official term, but rather a term I've created to aid in understanding. Hello.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Nice to meet you.
네, 반갑습니다. 네, 반갑습니다.
These are our daughters.
저기는 우리 딸들이에요. 저기는 우리 딸들이에요.
There is not the speaker, so it functions as a topic marker. Since the verb to be is used, the particles e and ga are excluded among the four particles. And the word does not have a final consonant. Therefore, the correct topic marker is.
는,
Learning Korean particles in this way will be helpful. I'm Jisoo.
저는 지수예요. 저는 지수예요.
Let's take a look at it in the same way one more time. Joe refers to the speaker themselves. There is no e in the speaker marker, so it is omitted. Since the be verb is used, the particle ga is omitted. There is no final consonant in Joe, so we can know which particle is correct. You will become familiar with it as you continue to practice. My name is Chai Young.
제 이름은 채영이에요. 제 이름은 채영이에요.
Since it refers to the speaker themselves, it is the speaker marker. Then you may now infer the following. The particle e not only helps to indicate the subject or topic after a noun or pronoun, but also serves a role in assisting with pronunciation. He is very busy guy. So to prevent confusion, it is called a pronunciation helper to aid in your understanding. This is my son.
이쪽은 우리 아들이에요. 이쪽은 우리 아들이에요.
This is not the speaker themselves, so it is the topic marker. The difference between the speaker marker and the topic marker is whether it pertains to oneself or not. My feelings, my age, and my profession all fall under the speaker marker. Anything that does not pertain to oneself falls under the category of the topic marker. My name is Shiwon.
제 이름은 시원이에요. 제 이름은 시원이에요.
In reality, Koreans often omit various particles when speaking. So don't worry too much about it. Are your parents doing well?
부모님은 모두 안녕하세요? 부모님은 모두 안녕하세요? 모두
Means all. Koreans have a tendency to ask about one's parents when they first meet. I would appreciate it if you could consider it as a cultural difference. No, only my mother is alive.
아니요, 어머니만 계세요. 아니요, 어머니만 계세요.
To be.
있다.
Informal.
있어요.
Formal.
계세요.
Only.
만
My father passed away.
아버지는 돌아가셨어요. 아버지는 돌아가셨어요.
To die.
죽다.
Informal.
죽었어요.
Formal.
돌아가셨어요. 돌아가셨어요.
Oh, I'm sorry.
저런, 죄송합니다. 저런, 죄송합니다.
We have shown the frequency of words used by Koreans in the same situation.
죄송합니다. 미안합니다. 미안합니다.
It's okay.
아니에요, 괜찮아요. 아니에요, 괜찮아요.
In Korean, a positive sentence can follow a negative response. On the other hand, a negative sentence can follow a positive response. Therefore, you don't need to focus on yes or no, just pay attention to the sentence that follows. How old are you?
몇 살이에요? 몇 살이에요?
I'm 28 years old.
저는 28살이에요. 저는 28살이에요.
Then, you can be an oppa.
그럼 오빠네요. 그럼 오빠네요.
Jisoo and Chae-young.
지수야, 채영아. 지수야, 채영아.
Ya and are informal titles that are added after the other person's name in Korean, and they are used in casual situations. Call him oppa.
오빠라고 불러라. 오빠라고 불러라.
Lago is used in quotes or commands, and can be translated into English as say or tell. It is commonly used after a title or term of address to indicate how the other person should address them. Call him hyung.
시원이는 형이라고 불러. 시원이는 형이라고 불러.
When a word has a final consonant, it is pronounced like this.
일하고 일하고
Yes, I got it.
예, 알겠어요. 예, 알겠어요. 알겠어요. 알았어요. 알았어요.